Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SpaceCatch token. Name of the token is SpaceCatch, ticker symbol is CATCH. This token basically just started their pre-sale. They're doing amazing on their pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the SpaceCatch token. So you can find their official webpage at spacecatch.io. Right at the top of the page, they have a link to their team section, white paper, pitch deck, products. So they have a game, NFTs, token, roadmap, news articles, so videos, blog, press releases, partnership information, contact, and try the game. Right under that, they have a link where you could download this game from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. They have a full audit by Solid Proof. So they have tons of socials. They're listed on CoinMarketCap. They have Medium articles, an Instagram, YouTube channel, X, Discord, Telegram. And then right beside all that is a huge link here to buy the pre-sale. It says Catch pre-sale is live, stage 1. It is the community round right now. So right now it says you could get the token with USDT, with Ethereum, or you could buy it with a card, a Visa, MasterCard, etc. You can connect your wallet. It says pay with ETH, and then it'll show you how much catch you'll receive for their ETH. Now, through different phases, it'll go up in different increments, the price. So basically, the earlier you get in, the cheaper the price is. So it says NFTs are actually sold out. So the price right now for the token is 6 cents, and then the next price is 8 cents, and then it just will continue to go higher until the actual price comes out. So right now the current demo version of the game is 0.16.6. So it gets updated all the time. And yeah, it says pre-sale is only at spacecatch.io, so just be aware of scammers. You don't want to get ripped off there. So they have a professional gaming studio. The main game designer and developer is Pixelfield. So SpaceCatch development is fully self-funded. This approach not only makes the project independent, but also assures the community that the team will not disappear after the token sale, as the already invested resources are higher than the planned token sale amount. In SpaceCatch, we believe in a solid project execution and the excellence of our product. SpaceCatch is going to launch V1 alongside the Central Exchange Tier 1 listing, ensuring that the token will have immediate utility, providing room for solid token price growth. So the demo is live. It says to be able to launch the current game alongside the listing, we are already in deep development. Currently, we are testing the demo version 0.15.5, so they've actually updated it since they made this white paper here. So they're on 16 now, which is available for KOLs and influencers. Examine the development roadmap and ask yourself, am I going to miss this opportunity to invest in a potential winner of the next bull run? On Twitter, we have over 103,000 followers, but if you're seeking a true testament to the strength of the SpaceCatch community, look no further. SpaceCatch NFTs sold out in just 33 seconds without any promotion. Secure your Catch tokens before the price increases, or they too will sell out quickly. The ultimate goal: if you want to be part of SpaceCatch's success, visit our website and acquire your desired amount of Catch tokens for your portfolio before Catch is sold out, just like our NFTs. So that's just like the introduction there. Now, SpaceCatch, it's a professional game studio, pixel field. It aims to provide the best augmented reality and Web3 gaming experience with today's mobile devices. SpaceCatch is implementing blockchain technology to introduce a revolutionary and sustainable play-to-earn concept, bringing a new gaming dimension and delivering the best gaming experience. So some of the key features: they have augmented reality, they have move to earn, so the entire gameplay, in-game progress is fueled by NFT boosters. Players obtain these boosters through their physical activities or by purchasing them from other players who follow a distinct gaming strategy and choose to sell their NFT boosters. In essence, daily activities like walking to work or engaging in sports activities such as jogging, swimming, or cardio contribute to SpaceCatch generating NFT boosters used in the game. It's important to note that NFT boosters cannot be directly bought from SpaceCatch itself. They must be earned through one's own physical activity or acquired from other active players. Once an NFT booster is used, it's burned, generated ongoing demand for new boosters and ensuring continued player activity. So they have artificial intelligence, of course. That's the new big thing that almost every token has here. The whole gaming earning concept is fueled by physical activity and burned calories of each player. SpaceCatch earning mechanisms are not designed to bring in high ROI, but deliver a sustainable gaming experience with various earning mechanics. So you can learn about the earning mechanics. There's also, tons of game information on their white paper. They have info about the gameplay, the weapons and potions, aliens, hubs and shelters, value exploration, drop items, wearable drop items. And then it keeps saying demo is live, so you could try it out. Now there's combat mode. There's hardware requirements section. You can have a look at the NFTs. Token information. Basically just says the pre-sale is live, and then you can look at tokenomics, so how the token is split up. Here is that 20% of the tokens go to public sale, 20% staking rewards, 10% liquidity, 10% marketing and airdrop, 7% founders round, 1% advisors, 9% team, 10% community round, 13% launchpad round. Token utility, you could use it for recovery in the game, like health and tools, NFTs, missions, premium events, all sorts of things having to do with NFTs and in-game items. And then, they have a roadmap at the very bottom of their page. They have a team audit and token audit, so all sorts of cool stuff. Check this all out. Whitepaper.spacecatch.io is where you can find all the info. SpaceCatch.io is their official webpage where you could get involved with the pre-sale. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project. And let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about SpaceCatch? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.